Good evening. I'm going to demonstrate the open the door into the wedge guard. Earlier in the term, we did the wedge guard, open the door into the wedge guard, but we didn't do a complete opening the door. We would just go about like so. But what we're going to cover tonight is we're going to go do a complete come around like that. So basically, we want to start with the footwork. Okay, so what you want to do is I'm going to bring my foot, I'm going to just pivot, bring it all the way around, just like that. Get out of the line of attack. Okay, I'm going to do that again, and open the door. I'll do it from the other side. Open the door. And open the door. Okay, so now I'm going to add the wedge guard to that. So somebody's coming at me, I'm going to get completely out of the way, keep my elbow pointed towards my attacker or my partner, just like so. Okay, so he's going to come right on past me. So we're going to start from a parallel ready stance. Okay, and you can let your foot do most of the work, and then you're going to basically just pivot and get out of line of attack and keep your elbow pointed towards your partner or your attacker. Let me do it from the other side. Sure. So. And just like so. Okay, so now I'm going to have Mr. Thompson assist me on doing this with a partner. Okay, so basically I'm going to start from a parallel ready stance. Okay, and Mr. Thompson's going to come at me, try to hit me on the chest, not too hard, and I'm going to get out of the way of the line of attack. So, Mr. Thompson, attack. I'm going to get completely out of the way, and he's going to go right on by me. Okay. And go. And go. Okay, let's try from the other side. Okay. And attack. Just like that. Okay, basically when you get that wedge guard, make sure you're keeping your knees bent, get that elbow nice and high, protecting your face. Okay, and go. Just like that. Okay, fairly simple technique, and we've already been using this technique early on in the term. So, but the difference is that we're actually getting out of the line of attack. So, continue to practice at home, and that's it. That's the opening the door into a wedge guard.